Brown 3 pounds of 80% lean ground beef and then drain the grease. Put in your 1½ cup of chopped onion. Put in your 1½ cup of chopped green pepper. Add your 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Let that all simmer together until the vegetables are tender. Add 3 15-ounce cans of chili-ready tomatoes. Add 1 15-ounce can of pork and beans. Add 2 cans of chili beans. Be sure you rinse the beans before you put them in the pot. That'll make them a lot less gassy. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin. Add 1/2 cup of mild chili powder. Adjust to your taste. Add 1 1/2 cup of water. Cover and simmer for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally.